A paint spray gun is like a magic wand for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, transforming the tedious task of painting into a fun, fast, and flawless experience. Imagine swapping out your old brush or roller for a sleek, futuristic tool that turns paint into a fine mist, evenly coating surfaces with the pull of a trigger. Whether you're repainting your walls, giving new life to furniture, or tackling a larger project, a paint spray gun makes the process smoother and more efficient. Instead of dipping and rolling, you simply fill the gun with your chosen paint, adjust the spray settings, and let the gun do the hard work. The result? A perfectly smooth finish with no streaks, no drips, and no brush marks, just like a pro. But the real fun comes with the versatility and ease of use. Paint spray guns are designed to work with a variety of surfaces and materials, from wood to metal to plaster. They're perfect for creative projects where precision is key, allowing you to effortlessly reach tight corners and intricate details. With adjustable spray patterns, you can switch from a broad fan for covering large areas to a narrow stream for delicate edges. Plus, many modern paint spray guns are lightweight and ergonomic, reducing hand fatigue and making it possible to paint for hours without feeling like you're carrying around a gallon of paint. So, whether you're sprucing up your living room or embarking on a full-scale home renovation, a paint spray gun is the ultimate tool to add to your arsenal, making every painting job faster, easier, and a whole lot more fun.